Hi again, guys. So what we have cooking for you today is some Mongolian lamb. Here we have some Mongolian lamb, thinly sliced, marinated with some Shaoxing wine, some cornstarch, some baking soda for tenderizing, and some light soy sauce. I have cooked up a batch here and still in the process of cooking some more. And then we have the sauce here, which has some Shaoxing wine, some freshly ground 5 spices, some dark soy sauce, some light soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and some sesame oil and a little bit of cornstarch. So we're still in the process of putting it together. Here's my wok going, and we'll show you what it looks like as we move along. Okay guys, so I'm frying up my Mongolian lamb. It's better, I have found, to work in small batches so you can get good color on here, get good surface area on this wok, spread it out, and fry it up. Just a few minutes on each side to get the most tender lamb. And we'll try to get some good color on this, and then we'll come back and put it together once all the lamb is cooked for the first. Okay guys, we're back. We're ready to put this together, get the stir fry going. So we have regular onions, we have green onions, the white part, the green part, garlic, the Mongolian lamb sauce, and the cooked meat. So let's see. We're working at high heat, so let's be careful. So first the onions and the white part of the green onion. Let this cook for a few minutes. Okay, some color on here, and then we'll add in the garlic. So the onion has been cooking a few minutes. We have some good color. I just popped in the garlic here. So let's cook the garlic for a few minutes. And then we'll next add in the meat and then the sauce. So the garlic has been cooking in here for about like 30-40 seconds and looks really good. And I wish you guys could smell this. This aroma is so amazing. So we'll add in the lamb, the cooked lamb, which has already been through the first cook. So this is the second cook for it. And we'll go ahead and add in the sauce. Let's see if I'm going to need all of the sauce. Maybe I will. I'm not sure. We'll see how it looks. I might have made a little bit extra sauce. So let's see. That smells amazing. So I think for the amount of meat I have, I'll add the rest of the sauce that I have. It is smelling delicious in here. So we'll let this cook for a few minutes, and then we'll add the greens of the green onions. Well, we are almost done. I'm just going to add the greens of the green onion. And I think we are just a few minutes away from being done with these green onions tossed in here. Can't wait to try this. This looks delicious. You can see the lamb pieces. They still look very tender. They don't look dried out. They look very juicy. We have the stir-fry vegetables. It's nice and saucy. Okay, let's try a piece. I have to tell you guys, it's absolutely scrumptious. It's a little bit of work, a few steps, but absolutely delicious. So let's see what the kids think about it. Ready, get some rice in here, get the kids testing this. So this was our adventure for today, our Mongolian lamb cooking adventure. So until next time, stay adventurous. Bula vinaka.